The Rabbet gauge is designed to help woodworkers lay out consistent and accurate rabbets before cutting. They are precision machined from solid blocks of aluminum, anodized for durability, and laser engraved with rabbet dimensions. Start with marking the height of the rabbet by using the 1/8" rabbet gauge to draw a line on both the edge and end of your workpiece. Use the 3/4 inch gauge to mark the depth of the rabbet on the face as well as the end. Now with the board accurately marked, just set the height of the bit to the line, then make 2 passes and set the final depth of the rabbet by aligning the bit inside the line. Then make one last pass, and you have a clean, finished rabbet. The Rabbet gauges from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.